Buried underneath the ice in Antarctica could well be stone temple constructions. There could be biological material, remains of beings that lived there and could still be there.
Imagine a place shrouded in ice, holding secrets hidden for millennia. In Antarctica, something incredible has been found. Not just ice and snow, but massive, perfectly shaped structures buried deep below.
In 2016, a striking image was discovered of a seemingly man-made entrance.
What are they? Who built them? Some say it's an ancient civilization lost to time. Others whisper of something otherworldly.
And they know about the extraterrestrial civilizations that continue to operate in Antarctica at the very moment.
Get ready to explore this chilling mystery, because what lies beneath the ice could change everything. Now first, like always, be sure to hit the like button down below. It helps us out tremendously with the reach of this video. Thank you.
It's totally possible that Antarctica contains an extraterrestrial home base on Earth. It's a totally isolated part of the planet.
The discovery beneath the Antarctic ice has left scientists and explorers in awe, sparking a sense of wonder and unease.
Amphibian lower jaw, which I found a couple of days ago.
It began as a routine mission to study the icy landscape, but what they found has shaken the boundaries of human understanding. A dark shape appeared on the radar, stretching across the frozen expanse. At first, it seemed like a simple crack, but as the drone moved closer, the truth revealed itself. Angular structures, massive in scale and impossibly symmetrical, emerged from beneath the ice. These shapes weren't random. They were deliberate, their precision defying natural explanation.
Something seems to be going on this mysterious continent at the South Pole.
The scientists stared in silence, their minds racing. Could this be evidence of something ancient, something that predates humanity itself? What secrets lie buried beneath the ice, hidden from the world for millennia? The shapes seem to tell a story of creation and mystery, perhaps even power. As the footage spread, theories emerged. Some believe this could be the remains of an ancient civilization, a culture lost to time before the ice claimed the continent. Others suggested something far more otherworldly.
His airplane is taken control of when he suddenly sees these flying disc-shaped objects around him that lead him to the ground,
sparking whispers of extraterrestrial origins. The symmetry and scale of the structures made them feel almost alive, as if they were built with purpose and precision far beyond our own understanding. The thought is both thrilling and unsettling. If these structures are not human-made, what force created them? Could they be the remnants of a culture far more advanced than ours? A civilization erased by history? Or could they hold secrets we're not meant to uncover? The possibility of unknown technology buried beneath the ice sends a shiver through the soul. What if this discovery isn't just a relic of the past, but a warning for the future?
The last remaining territory on the planet that could have such a designation is Antarctica.
The idea of unlocking such a mystery is as captivating as it is terrifying. Each perfectly straight angle and symmetrical edge hints at a deeper truth, one that science alone might not be able to explain.
It is located in the central Transantarctic Mountains.
Are we prepared for what we might find if we dig deeper? Could these structures challenge everything we know about human history and the origins of our world? Beneath the ice, the answers await, but so might questions we're not ready to face. Deep within the unyielding frost of Antarctica, a story unfolds, one that stirs the soul and awakens a yearning for answers. The winds howl across endless white plains, where silence is broken only by the crunch of ice underfoot, or the distant crack of glaciers. For centuries, this land has been a mystery, its secrets locked beneath a veil of cold. Yet recent discoveries are unraveling whispers of a past so profound it defies the imagination. Beneath layers of ice, strange formations have been unearthed, colossal and impossibly precise. These structures seem to defy natural explanation. Were they created by an ancient hand, wielding knowledge and tools far beyond what we know? The thought kindles both wonder and unease. If a civilization once thrived here, why does it no longer speak? Were these people extinguished, their story buried beneath time and frost? Or did they choose to vanish, leaving behind only silent monuments? Some dream of even more extraordinary origins. Could these remnants hint at visitors not of this earth? Beings who touched down long ago, leaving behind traces of their brilliance? The notion of extraterrestrial architects is both intoxicating and haunting, igniting questions we may not be ready to answer. If these are relics of another world, what purpose did they serve? Were they meant to guide, to warn, or perhaps to observe us as we tread a path they once walked? One revelation deepens the intrigue, a signal detected from the icy depths near these formations. This signal is unlike anything nature has known or humanity has devised. It pulses with an energy that speaks of intelligence, as though something ancient yet alive lies beneath, waiting. Could this be a message, a call for help, or even an invitation? The questions linger, heavy with possibility. Who or what is speaking from under the ice? And what do they want us to hear? Theories swirl around this enigmatic signal. Could it emanate from a power source, a relic of lost technology still humming with purpose? Or is it a beacon left behind by those who sought refuge beneath the ice, calling to us across the ages? The idea of such a power, dormant yet intact, is awe-inspiring, but it also raises a chilling thought. If this signal is a warning, what danger does it foretell? This frozen wilderness has always drawn explorers and dreamers, its sheer vastness whispering of hidden worlds. What if Antarctica holds more than we dare imagine? Could an entire civilization sleep beneath its icy cloak, untouched by time? Some have speculated about vast underground networks, cities, or sanctuaries, shielded from the outside world by walls of ice. What if this signal, this mysterious energy, is their lifeline, a testament to their resilience or perhaps a plea for discovery? The ice wall itself, a towering and enigmatic barrier, has sparked whispers of intentional concealment. Could it be more than a natural formation? Might it serve as a guardian, keeping us from truths we are not yet ready to face? If the structures beneath are part of a greater complex, what stories lie frozen within? Were they hidden to protect us, or to protect themselves from us? As the footage of these discoveries reaches eyes and minds across the globe, the possibilities multiply. Some suggest military secrets, cloaked in the guise of natural phenomena. Others envision a thriving world hidden beneath, its people or machines waiting for the moment to rise again. Could this signal be an ancient society's way of bridging the chasm of millennia, reaching out to connect with a world they left behind? Or might it be something far greater, a revelation capable of rewriting everything we thought we knew? The thought of unlocking such a mystery stirs the heart, but it also brings a quiet fear. What if we are unprepared for what lies beneath? Could the secrets of Antarctica challenge our understanding of history, of humanity, and of life itself? Perhaps this discovery is not just about what we find, but how it changes us, the questions it forces us to ask, the truths it compels us to confront. As you ponder these frozen echoes, a quiet wonder takes root. Somewhere beneath a world of unbroken ice lies something waiting to be known. Whether it is the memory of a forgotten people, a whisper from another world, or a truth beyond our imagining, one thing is certain: Antarctica holds a story still untold. Its voice carried on the winds of curiosity and courage, calling us to listen. The icy expanse of Antarctica holds secrets that challenge the imagination. Beneath miles of frozen silence, a discovery has ignited a wave of wonder and curiosity. What could be hidden below? As scientists study the mysterious footage and electromagnetic signals, the desire to uncover the truth grows stronger. Yet this pursuit is anything but simple. Antarctica's thick ice sheet, spanning miles in some areas, stands as an unyielding barrier. Traditional methods are not enough to break through its depths. Still, hope lies in innovative technology. Ground-penetrating radar, often used to uncover ancient ruins, offers a chance to peer beneath the ice. It's a risky venture in one of the harshest places on Earth, but the promise of what might be hidden fuels determination. Whispers of secret research missions have surfaced, hinting at long-hidden efforts to unlock the continent's mysteries. Could these hidden operations hold answers to questions long kept from the public? If something extraordinary lies beneath the ice, it may not only reshape our understanding of the past, but also disrupt our present. The stakes are immense, and the silence surrounding these discoveries only deepens the intrigue. As more images and data come to light, the world watches with growing anticipation. Could these structures be remnants of a civilization lost to time, preserved in the icy embrace of the continent? Or might they reveal something even more profound, something beyond what we've dared to imagine? The possibility of an ancient legacy buried beneath the ice tugs at our sense of wonder and connection to the unknown. What stories could these frozen depths hold? And as we draw closer to uncovering the truth, how will it transform the way we see our world and ourselves? For decades, whispers have swirled about Antarctica, a land shrouded in mystery and wonder. Some say it might hold the legendary lost city of Atlantis, hidden beneath its icy expanse. Imagine, before the glaciers claimed this continent, it may have been a thriving world, home to a civilization far beyond our understanding. Could remnants of their culture, their knowledge, and their achievements still rest beneath the ice, waiting to rewrite the story of humanity's origins? What if everything we thought we knew is only part of the truth? Myths and ancient tales across cultures hint at advanced civilizations that predated ours. Could they hold fragments of the truth about Antarctica's past? Some believe an ancient race may have sought refuge underground as the Ice Age approached, their cities and technologies buried beneath the frozen surface. Could the ice wall itself be more than a natural formation, perhaps a structure meant to protect or conceal something extraordinary? Unusual electromagnetic signals and massive unexplained formations have fueled theories of hidden wonders. Could ancient people have wielded technologies far beyond what we understand today? Or is there something more enigmatic at play, possibly evidence of extraterrestrial influence? These signals, faint and persistent, seem to call out from the depths of the ice, urging us to uncover their secrets. What lies beyond the ice wall? If it truly conceals a lost civilization, the discoveries could reshape our understanding of human history. And if alien origins are involved, the implications are staggering. Recent drone footage of colossal, precise formations adds fuel to this mystery. Could these be remnants of an extraterrestrial presence, hidden in plain sight for millennia? Some wonder if these signals are not echoes of the past, but an active communication system. What if they're reaching out, waiting for humanity to discover them? Could they reveal a connection to a broader galactic community or a warning from an advanced race observing us from the shadows? If we ever uncover alien technology beneath Antarctica, it would be the most profound discovery in human history. Yet it might also awaken us to the sobering reality that we are not alone. What happens when we face a civilization beyond our comprehension? As we explore these icy depths, we are not just unearthing secrets, but opening doors to questions that could redefine our place in the universe. Could Antarctica, long seen as a frozen wasteland, hold the key to humanity's greatest revelations? Beneath the endless stretches of Antarctica's icy plains lies a mystery that defies understanding. Hidden beneath layers of ancient ice, an enigmatic structure captured by drones has sparked theories that tug at the edges of imagination and reality. Some believe the towering ice wall was no accident of nature, but a deliberate creation by an unknown civilization, perhaps to guard a secret too dangerous or powerful to expose. What could be so significant to warrant such a monumental barrier? There's an idea that this frozen wall might conceal ancient, possibly hazardous technologies. Could the structures captured on footage be remnants of advanced civilizations or even extraterrestrial origins? If so, were they part of a defense system, an energy source, or something else entirely? These questions open a doorway to the unknown, whispering that the secrets buried here could alter the course of human history. If the ice wall serves as a protective shield, it forces us to wonder, what happens if we break through? Could this awakening unleash forces that were meant to remain hidden? Each frame of drone footage hints at something more, an ancient puzzle waiting to be solved. The theories only grow more extraordinary. Some speculate that the ice wall might hide a long-dormant alien base. The structures revealed are strikingly non-human, their complexity sparking both awe and unease. What if these formations are remnants of extraterrestrial activity? Could this be an outpost, an observation post, or perhaps a station predating human existence? Electromagnetic signals from the region add to the intrigue, described as utterly unlike anything we've encountered before. If these signals are tied to alien technology, they could offer answers or perhaps warnings. Could such a discovery connect us with knowledge beyond anything we've ever imagined? Or might it reveal something watching us, waiting for its moment? The implications of uncovering such technology are staggering. If the ice wall conceals evidence of extraterrestrial life, our understanding of the universe and ourselves would shift irreversibly. This isn't just about discovery, it's about rewriting everything we thought we knew. Could the answers solve global problems, unlocking revolutionary energy or healing technologies? Or could they present a challenge too great, too dangerous for humanity to handle? There's also a darker possibility, that these structures might not be remnants of peace, but artifacts of war. What if they are weapons, or worse, signs of a power lying in wait? The consequences of such a discovery could lead to panic, power struggles, and chaos. Are we truly prepared for what might be found beneath the ice wall? This is more than an icy frontier. It's a mirror reflecting the vast unknown. Each revelation feels like a step closer to the edge of something profound, something that could connect us to an ancient past or an unimaginable future. Whatever lies beneath, its story calls to us, whispering that the answers could change us forever. Why has so much about Antarctica remained hidden? Some say governments have known about mysterious structures and signals there for years, keeping it all under wraps in the name of national security. Others whisper of secret research stations tucked beneath the ice, shrouded in secrecy. Could these be connected to the strange discoveries we're only now beginning to glimpse? Perhaps the drone footage we've seen is just scratching the surface. Why such secrecy? Some suggest that the truth, whether it's evidence of advanced technology or traces of an ancient civilization, might be too much for the world to handle. Could it spark fear, destabilize societies, or even alter global power dynamics? Or is it about control, with those in power vying to claim whatever lies beneath the ice? The more we learn about Antarctica, the more questions arise. Are we witnessing the remnants of something extraordinary? Or is this all just a coincidence wrapped in conspiracy? If these secrets hold the key to something unimaginable, can humanity be trusted to handle such knowledge responsibly? Each discovery feels like a clue in a much larger puzzle. What happens next is not just about what we uncover, but how we choose to respond. Will we unlock the secrets beneath the ice and face the unknown with courage? Or will fear drive us to keep it buried? Antarctica's mysteries aren't just about the past, they hold the potential to shape our future. As more evidence emerges, one thing is clear: the journey has only begun. What lies ahead could redefine what we know about our world and ourselves. Are we ready to face the truth? Only time will tell. Thanks for watching. See you next time.